4-story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, cloth seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.